Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a photo with an Instasize app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Instasize app and on the bottom tap on this blue circle on the plus. Tap on the first option, the library. Select a photo from your library. And here you will have some filters you can apply to your photo. If you tap double on a filter, you can change the intensity of the filter by tapping on the bottom right corner on this applying icon. Then you apply them. Then on the bottom tap on the second icon, the filters. You can change the brightness of the photo, the sharpness, the contrast, the saturation, the exposure, the warmth, the shadows, the highlights, grain. You can add tint to your photo. And like this you can edit your photo. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.